Very excited today. I got my package from Amazon and we're going to do a sound system installation on a SeaDoo RXT. Let's have a look in the box. Okay, we have the Velex elementary ready Bluetooth marine radio. We have a set of Fusion 200 watt marine speakers, and we have a Mac Audio 400 watts amplifier. Let's get on with the install. Okay, the reason why I chose to do this installation on the JetSki is because I had this Bluetooth speaker here mounted on a GoPro mount. Unfortunately, I went over a big wave, come down hard, and the speaker went through the display. Let me show you. There you can see I've got a crack here, water entered there, and it destroyed the screen, and you got black crystal leaked out into the display. So, expensive mistake. It's cost me 500 euros to order a new pair of clocks.
Ella no está enamorada de mí.
No, mi hielo.
Tampoco. Pero le gusta como yo le doy.
Mr. Worldwide.
Sexy. Yo la pongo a volar cuando yo le doy besos. Pero no está enamorada de mí.
Ella solamente quiere pasar un momento lunático.
She says she's in love with me. No, no. But she loves how I give it to her. Yes, yes. Sexy. And I blow her mind. Every time that I kiss her. She says she's in love with me. Yeah, right. Ella siempre me llama a las 3 de la mañana. Dice que soy su pana, el que le quita la gana. Y si ella supiera que me llama su hermana, porque también soy su pana, el que le quita la gana. Who the hell is this? Texting me at 3:46, it must be a trick. And if she's texting me at this time, she's looking for Richard, or should I say Dick? Mami, yo te doy bow bow. Ella dice que yo soy mal hablado. No, mamita, yo no soy mal hablado, que yo te hablo directo de Miami al Cibao. So deja el papelazo para los turistas y los payasos. Háblame claro, que tú sabes bien que te gusta lo malo. Dale palo, yo te doy caramelo, pero deja los celos. Ella dice que no está enamorada de mí. Eso me conviene, Don Miguelo.
Ella no está enamorada de mí.
Pero me quiere ver cerca.
Pero le gusta como yo le doy.
Sueña conmigo, tú lo sabes.
Yo la pongo a volar cuando yo le doy besos. Pero no está enamorada de mí.
1, 2, 3, la maté.
She says she's in love with me. No, no. But she loves how I give it to her. Yes, yes. Sexy. And I blow her mind. Every time that I kiss her. She says she's in love with me. Yeah, right.
Casi siempre me llama a las 3 de la mañana. Dice que soy su pana. ¿Tú sabes por qué? Que le quita la gana. Lo que pasa es que yo nunca la dejo a media. Tú entiendes el drama. Oye, dice que soy su pana. Que le quita la gana. Hemos hecho de todo. Muchas posiciones en la escalera, amarrado en la cama, yo encima de ella. Amanecimos en la bañera y me la comí en barra de Nutella. Son requisitos que otros no han usado y ella solo dice wow. Lo que yo hago nunca se ha inventado, porque ni el Kama Sutra se lo ha inventado. Oiga,
Ella no está enamorada de mí.
pero me quiere ver cerca.
Pero le gusta como yo le doy.
Sueña conmigo, tú lo sabes.
Yo la pongo a volar cuando yo le doy besos. Pero no está enamorada de mí.
1, 2, 3, la maté.
She says she's in love with me. No, no. But she loves how I give it to her. Yes, yes. Sexy. And I blow her mind. Every time that I kiss her. She says she's in love with me. Yeah, right. Ella siempre me llama a las 3 de la mañana.
Hi guys, day 2 of the build. Give you a quick update of where we are so you can see what's been done so far. Mounted the amplifier to the luggage compartment storage panel. I've used 4 stainless steel bolts, and I had to make a little adjustment to this ventilation cover for the air intake. Sorry, I'm sure that'll fit okay. Up here I fitted the radio in the glove box. Very happy with the position of that. Doesn't touch anything, there was no adjustments needed. What I've done is soldered all the joints, shrink wrapped them as well. I prefer to solder the joints just to make sure that things don't corrode. Down here in the engine bay, turn this round, made a little harness here for the cables. Coming around here, another one there for the earth.
Supiera que me llama su hermana, porque también soy su pana, el que le quita la gana.
Casi siempre me llama a las 3 de la mañana. Dice que soy su pana. ¿Tú sabes por qué? Le quita la gana. Lo que pasa es que yo nunca la dejo a media.
Okay, the installation's all finished. Let's see how it looks. In the luggage compartment, I had the same space I've always had before. No cables, nothing sticking out, nothing to get wet, nothing to get damaged. So I'm happy about that. The radio, that's installed inside the glove box. It's waterproof. I'll have an extra little switch there on the right just to turn the power on, just there. Look. Looking underneath in the engine bay, you can see the amplifiers are a long way up the front. Very protected from water, you know, when you flush out the engine. Okay, the installation is all finished. It's connected to Bluetooth. Let's see how it sounds.
Ella solamente quiere pasar un momento lunático. It must be a trick. And if she's texting me at this time, she's looking for Richard, or should I say Dick? Mami, yo te doy bow bow. Ella dice que yo soy mal hablado. No, mamita, yo no soy mal hablado. Que yo te hablo directo de Miami y el Cibao. Soy el papelazo para los turistas y los payasos. Háblame claro, que tú sabes bien que te gusta lo malo. Dale palo, yo te doy caramelo.
Time this weekend.